Let's go, everyone. Today I'm super excited to be unboxing this Huckberry Tacoma 10-year pullover hoodie. So this is a collaboration between Huckberry and Toyota Tacoma. I drive a Toyota Tacoma truck, so had to get this 10-year anniversary hoodie, or 10-year pullover hoodie is what it's called. Wow, this is really nice. It says Taco on it for Toyota Tacoma, 3 stripes. Wow, this is a very heavy duty, sturdy pullover. Really nice material. Oh, on the tag you have the Huckberry logo, then you have the Toyota logo. Very cool. Oh yeah, it's definitely heavy duty. You can feel it, like nice kangaroo pouch here. Material looks very soft on the inside. I'm actually going to put this in my Toyota Tacoma truck as an emergency hoodie. You know, those days where like someone needs a hoodie or someone's cold or it's colder than you expected. That is the purpose of this sweater for me. Oh, it's really nice. Really good build quality. Flip it over on the back. Nothing special on the back. Hood feels nice and sturdy as well. Yeah. No, it really feels sturdy, well built. Comes with their 10-year warranty guarantee that this will last you a decade, and I believe it's made in the USA. I think that's what they said on their website yeah, it is made in the USA. So cool. Let me know what you think of this hoodie in the comments section below, and hope you're all doing well. Catch you all in the next unboxing video. Take care, everyone. Later.